On June 2, 2025, Russia launched massive retaliatory strikes targeting over 150 Ukrainian sites linked to unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, following Ukraine's audacious Operation Spiderweb drone attack on June 1st, which struck 5 Russian airbases, including Belaya in Siberia and Olenya in Murmansk, damaging 41 aircraft worth $7 billion, including Tu-95 and Tu-22 bombers and A-50 surveillance planes. Ukraine's operation, planned over 18 months, used 117 first-person view FPV drones smuggled into Russia inside wooden sheds on trucks, remotely launched to hit strategic targets up to 4,300 kilometers away. Russia's response involved 472 drones and 7 missiles, one of the war's largest barrages, targeting drone assembly workshops, troop deployment zones, and alleged foreign mercenary bases, claiming 1,430 Ukrainian soldiers killed and intercepting 2 Storm Shadow missiles and 316 Ukrainian drones. The strikes coincided with peace talks in Istanbul, where both sides discussed prisoner swaps and ceasefires, but made little progress. Ukraine's attack aimed to weaken Russia's air superiority, while Russia's retaliation sought to disrupt Ukraine's drone capabilities.